Welcome to the fascinating world of cats. Have you ever wondered why cats are so meticulous about cleaning themselves, or why they have those adorable whiskers? Let's dive into the secrets behind these feline behaviors. Why do cats clean themselves and have whiskers? Cats are fascinating creatures with unique behaviors that often leave us curious. Two particularly interesting aspects of feline behavior are their meticulous grooming and their sensitive whiskers. Let's dive deeper into why cats clean themselves and the role their whiskers play in their daily lives. The importance of grooming. Cats are renowned for their grooming habits. They spend a significant portion of their day licking their fur. This behavior serves several essential purposes. Firstly, grooming is crucial for maintaining hygiene. Cats use their rough, hook-like tongues to remove dirt, loose hair, and parasites like fleas. The tiny, backward-facing papillae on their tongues help in efficiently cleaning their fur by catching and pulling away debris. This natural brush helps keep their coat clean and free from infections. In addition to cleanliness, grooming aids in regulating a cat's body temperature. When cats lick their fur, they spread saliva over it. As the saliva dries, it evaporates, which has a cooling effect, much like how sweat cools humans. This is especially important for cats since they don't sweat through their skin like humans do. During hot weather, you might notice cats grooming more frequently as a way to cool down. Grooming also has a social component. When cats groom each other, this behavior, known as allogrooming, helps reinforce social bonds within a group. It's a way for cats to show affection and trust, contributing to their social harmony. Allogrooming is common among cats that live together and is a crucial part of their social structure. Cats also groom their owners as a sign of affection and to mark their territory with their scent. Additionally, grooming helps cats with stress management. The act of grooming releases endorphins, which can have a calming effect. Cats often groom themselves when they feel anxious or need comfort, helping them cope with stressful situations. Understanding whiskers. Now let's explore the fascinating world of cat whiskers, or vibrissae. These specialized hairs are more than just cute features. They serve several vital functions. Whiskers are highly sensitive and play a crucial role in helping cats navigate their environment. They are embedded deeply in the skin and are connected to the nervous system, making them incredibly responsive to touch and vibrations. This sensitivity allows cats to detect nearby objects and changes in their surroundings, especially in low-light conditions or darkness. It's like having a built-in radar system that helps them sense their environment without relying solely on their vision. Whiskers are also essential for hunting. Help cats gauge the position and movement of their prey. When a cat is stalking or catching a mouse, its whiskers can detect even the slightest movements. This heightened sensitivity allows cats to be precise and effective hunters, ensuring they can catch their prey efficiently. Another interesting function of whiskers is spatial awareness. Cats use their whiskers to measure the width of openings. By extending their whiskers forward, they can determine if they can fit through tight spaces without getting stuck. This helps them navigate through narrow gaps and avoid obstacles. It's a crucial skill for both wild and domestic cats as they explore their surroundings. Whiskers also play a role in communication. When a cat's whiskers are forward-facing, it can signal curiosity or aggression. Conversely, whiskers pulled back against their face might indicate fear or submission. Observing a cat's whisker position can give you valuable insights into its emotional state and intentions. Additional insights. Understanding these behaviors also sheds light on the overall health and well-being of cats. For instance, changes in grooming habits, such as excessive grooming or a decrease in grooming, can indicate health issues. It's important for cat owners to monitor these behaviors and consult a veterinarian if they notice any significant changes. Similarly, if a cat's whiskers are damaged or missing, it can affect their ability to navigate and hunt effectively. Ensuring your cat's whiskers are in good condition is part of maintaining their overall health. In summary, grooming and whiskers are vital aspects of a cat's life that serve multiple purposes. Grooming helps maintain hygiene, regulates body temperature, strengthens social bonds, and aids in stress management. Whiskers provide sensory information, assist with hunting, support spatial navigation, and offer clues about a cat's emotional state. Understanding these behaviors not only deepens our appreciation for cats, but also enhances our ability to care for them. Thank you for joining us in exploring the intriguing world of cats. We hope you found this information as fascinating as we do.